everybody, this is me, Thomas, and I made last night this American police car, and it's black, and it's pretty cool. First I will show you the SWAT minifigure that I made to go with it. Black. The badge. Pretty cool. The police car is very nice. Put it down here. Here where it says police, I wanted it to be black. Here, see? Here the police logo. So I want it to be black, but I made it dark blue. But yeah, works as well. Here's the front, star, and siren. Or if you want to, you can use it. Take the blue one off and put a red one. See? Or you can take another blue tile and make it all blue. But I like this like this. So this one, if I want to change it, I just take this off and put it back here. There, see? And it has a lot of storage back here. You can put a lot of things in there. Maybe a rubber's backpack with money in it, with gold and things in there. Very nice. Can take the roof off and take the windows down. Here, red and blue means when you turn on the blue siren to flash, and then the red one. Pretty cool. Then you got a steering, and there's enough space for your the hat. And there's enough space for the hat as well. So you can sit in there. Pretty cool. So you have a lot of space in here. And it rolls well. Oh, sorry. Excuse me, but this is pretty cool from the front and from the back. So thank you for watching this video, everybody, and I'll be talking to you again very soon. Bye.